Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Shit with Sugar On, the series where you decide what ingredients I have to work with. So let's see what we got this week, shall we? Right, what we got? Right, okay. Right, so we've got some lamb loin fillets, a couple of packs of couscous, broccoli, chilli, butternut squash, and mange tout, or menage a trois. Do you know, that's not that bad. I can work with that. You've been very kind. Right, so I'm thinking, I'm going to roast the lamb. That's easy enough. I'm going to do some sauteed mixed greens with a mange tout and broccoli. Just going to do a nicely seasoned couscous, I think. Fold some roasted squash through it. If I've got time, I'll make a puree with some of the rest as well. I've not yet used any of my larder ingredients, so I think I'm going to use what I can, try and knock up a sauce. So I've got some herbs lying about, so I'll use them up and try and make like salsa verde or something like that. I've made a picture and everything, if you can see that. That sounds almost like a dish, doesn't it? Okay, I'm ready. Oh, how I cling film. Clock here. A minute gone, just pissing about with that. Right, so that's the shitty seedy end. So we'll put that on now just in case I do get time to puree it. If not, fuck it. Okay, going through the couscous, hopefully. Of oil, salt and pepper, slice that in half in hopes that it cooks a bit quicker. Trim off a bit of that fat. Garlic as well, quickly. You only see on the telly that they've got like, oh, you got 20 minutes left. Fucking spoiled. Running around here like a titty in a trance. Right, keep that one back for my salsa. Lamb in. Just a bit of pepper on, some garlic. Greens are only going to take a couple of minutes, so salsa, I think. Starting to get concerned, I'm a little bit overconfident. Seems to be going a bit too well, this one. Salsa. You're done. Good colour on a lamb, that's a bonus. 4 minutes. Good. Right, they're making a racket, they're gone. Right. Lamb. Shite. 4 minutes. Might have to rename this series How Much Fucking Mess Can You Make? Jesus wept. Right, I'll keep the yellow board. I can carve with that. So I think about getting some on the bloody plate, don't I? 30 seconds and they're good. If you're wondering why it's called shit with sugar on, when I used to ask my mum what was for tea, she'd say shit with sugar on. And I was none the friggin' wiser then either. Excuse the noise. Oh shit. Right, I've got no ingredients left to put a stock into it. So I'm going to try and nick some of the juice from these veggies. Tastes like squash. Lamb is as cooked as it's going to be. Oh. Roasted squash, mate. Bang on that. Absolutely bang on. Shite. All that effort for 3 dots, eh? Fuck me. Sweat on. Right, so there's the finished dish. Got a bit of a bloody sweat on there. All out of puff. But we did end up with a dish of roast and pureed butternut squash, couscous, sauteed greens and lamb fillet. I even managed to get the salsa verde done in time. Which, quite honestly, don't have a frigging clue how. But proof is in the pudding and all that. Hey, that's pretty fucking good, that. I have to bring Mrs. Howe in to officially adjudicate, but yeah, that's not bad. But you have been very kind to me this week. Yeah, after the annihilation that was last week, I was beginning to think I should burn my jacket and never cook again. But I think that one just gave me mojo back a bit, which moves me nicely on to next week. And because this has gone well, I'm a little bit worried about what you're going to vote for. But if you fancy it, you can head to patreon.com/chef@home and you'll find the nominations on the post. But yeah, it's been fun. Ta-da.